Hello guys, in this video we will know how we can completely uninstall software from Windows 11 operating system. Let us start. So first of all, what you want to uninstall from your operating system, you have to firstly go to the control panel. Here you can see control panel, and here you can see the programs, uninstall a program. Click on it. Here you can check the software which you want to uninstall completely. For example, I want to uninstall this software, Scratch, and I will click here. First, you have to click here, and then you have to click here, uninstall. And you can see a welcome window from uninstall of this Scratch 3. Click here, next, and click here, finish. It has been uninstalled from your computer. Click here, finish. Now, if you want to completely uninstall it, from the registry as well. So for that you have to go to the run, win key plus R, run, and here you can enter the REGE regedit and click here OK. And here you can go to the current user, click here, and then you can here see the software, click here, and now you can search the name that Scratch, and we can see whether it has been uninstalled properly or not. See, it's not here, it's not appearing here. We can go this folder as well, wow 64-bit, because it's a 64-bit operating system. No, it's not available here. And we can also check on local machine, where we can see in the software section. It's not available on this as well. So if you see that folder is still available here, you can simply right click on it and delete. But right now it's not appearing here. But in some cases, some uninstallation is not completely done, but you can completely uninstall it by deleting such folders from here. So this way you can uninstall the software completely from your operating system. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.